Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to set a time chimes on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, click on this digital crown and click on Settings. After this, scroll down until you will see tab named Accessibility. Here is it. Click on it and scroll down until you will see Chimes. Here is it. Also click on it, and to enable this function simply click on this slider until it turns green. Also, if we click on the schedule, you can choose how often you will get the notifications, hourly, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. And on the last tab, you can choose the chime, bells or birds, whichever you like more. For example, this feature is really useful if you want to start drinking more water. You will set the schedule on 30 minutes, and every 30 minutes you'll need to drink a glass of water. This is kind of really useful feature. And that's it. Now you know how to set time chimes on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.